Hello guys! In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can connect threads on Instagram. But first, if you want to master your favorite tech platforms, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss a video. So now to start, go to your Threads app and log into your account. And then go to your profile page. Now you can see at the top right corner of your screen the Instagram icon. Just tap on that. It will then direct you to this page where you have to log in with your Instagram account. You can choose to log in with your username, your email, or your mobile phone, and then just enter your password. And then tap on login. Just wait for a little bit. And now you can choose to save your login info. You are now logged in to your Instagram account. And you can see at the top right corner of your screen the Threads icon. Just tap on that to switch again to your Threads account. So now your Threads account and your Instagram is now connected. Just tap on that icon at the top right corner of your screen to switch from Instagram to your Threads or from your Threads to your Instagram account. And that's it. It's just simple and easy. If you have questions or suggestions regarding this video, don't forget to leave a comment on the comment section. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.